So this is the MIG200 from Arccaptain. I'm going to show you what it comes with, and then we're going to weld some coupons up. So right here you have about a 6-7 foot lead. Pretty nice little clamp. It could be a little bit more heavy duty, but it is what it is. Again, here you have about a 7 to 10 foot lead for your stick welding, which is what we're going to be doing today. It comes with your 110 to 220 adapter. It comes with your airline for your argon or mixed gas. Here you have a pretty good size lead. This is probably about 12 foot long, I believe, for your MIG welding. And this is what it looks like when it's opened up. They thought of everything. They got you a little LED light in here, so when you open it up, you can see what you're doing. It has its chart to show you your temperature and wire speed. So we're going to be using the 7018 1/8 welding rod. I'm running about 140 amps, but I like it hot. That way you can get it and go. All right, there's a root pass. That was way too hot for that. I should have turned it down. I don't know why I did. Anyways, let's run some hot passes and then we'll cap it. Very nice. All right, so that was my 2 hot passes. Super slick, baby. Slick. Oh, baby. So I turned it down to about 137. Check that out. Just peels right off. Just ignore some arc marks, but that is a very nice cap. I ground the root down because I had some fallout whenever I was running too hot, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But check that out. That was with a 1/8 7018. These are old rusty rods probably. They've been in that cabinet for years. We don't use them. We use a MIG welder, but that turned out super nice. Very, very impressed with this weld machine. It's just as good as our Miller over there that we use on the mechanic side. Just some welder tips for anybody that's out there that's new. Whenever you're putting your cap or any passes, you want to overlap your last weld. You see how this weld is overlapped that one halfway, and this one is overlapped that one halfway. I probably could have got away with another one, but I just made that one a little bit fatter, so that way, for video purposes. But anyways, if you're interested in this machine from Arccaptain, I will have a link down below that you can check it out, learn more about it. Very nice, lightweight, very universal, and affordable. You can't beat it. So y'all check it out. It will be linked down below. Love you, bye.